welcome to Astar Insight, where you get an insight in how to win on YouTube. So let's get straight to it. The first and most important thing you need to do when you're starting and trying to win on YouTube is to create a YouTube account, right? I know, pretty basic, but let's think about it. Right now, the coronavirus is keeping people indoors. So right now is the best time and is the best opportunity for you to get your creative juices flowing and create a YouTube account and go crazy. In this video, I'm basically going to be showing you, I'm going to be giving you a walkthrough into how to create your very own YouTube channel. So you can start creating content and you can, I don't know, start a hobby whilst you're trapped inside and you've got nothing to do. Well, this is something to do. And to be honest, it's the best opportunity because guess what? Your audience that are waiting for you to drop content are also locked inside. What does that mean? More views for you, right? Cool. So now that we're on the same page, let's get started. I know after this video, you're going to be asking a lot of questions such as, how do I create an intro? How do I create an outro? How do I create channel art? Well, don't worry, I've got you covered. Those videos will be coming very, very soon. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. You click the notification bell so you can get involved once I drop those videos. Now, back to the main focus. You should be able to see my screen by now. And as you can see, I am on youtube.com, okay? So this is how you're gonna start. You're gonna go and click sign in. And hopefully, well, there's two options at this point. You either have an account, like I do, or you don't. And if you don't have an account, then you'll be directed to this screen, which is a create an account screen. So you click create an account. And at this point, you have two options, for myself or to manage my business. Now, let me just explain the difference quickly. For myself would be, the YouTube account that most people already have, just to watch YouTube videos where it's your first name and last name. Whereas the second option, which is to manage my business, is more of a brand account where you'll be able to actually create a brand name for your YouTube account and for your YouTube channel. So because that's what we're kind of aiming to do, I hope, I'm going to click on to manage my business. You're going to write your first name, so Aaron, surname, and your email address. Now, this is where you're going to need to, you can use your personal email address or you can create a new Gmail email address. I would personally recommend creating a Gmail email address just because it's easier. Gmail is associated with Google, which is associated with YouTube, so it just makes things flow more easily. I've learned that myself because I actually use my personal email address, but the option is yours. So you can do that, and then you can create your password and confirm that, and then go to next. So if you do already have an account, then you can easily just go to that account. You can go to settings, and then you can go to add or manage your channels, and then you can go and create a new channel for your YouTube account. So that's what we're gonna do. Now this is the same screen you're gonna get if you went to my previous step and you created an email address or you used your own email address and then you created a password for that account. You're gonna get to this part where it says create a new channel. Let's just call this Astar Vlogs. So then you go to that and then you create, right? And now you should have a new YouTube channel. Now don't be put off by my screen. I'm on dark mode. If you're not on dark mode, you'll see the same screen but with a white background. Okay, so now that you've made your YouTube channel and you've made your name, you can now kind of spice it up and kind of tailor it to help deliver what you're trying to deliver. So you can click here and add some channel art, which is the YouTube banner that you decide to put on your channel, which again I will make a video about a step-to-step on how to make a very, very nice looking professional YouTube banner. And you can also create a profile picture And again, that can be included as well. If you want to see that, let me know in the comments down below. But you also add a channel description. Now in this channel description, you might have things like your social media or a brief explanation of what your channel is about. So once that's finished and you've set up your channel art and your profile picture, you can go back to your YouTube studio, and then you can click the left hand side, go down, you click on settings, and this is where you kind of tailor the important things for your channel. So for example, how do you want your currency to be? Now depending on where you are, you can set up to where you are. I am in the UK, so I will put pound sterling. There it is, British pound, right? And then the channel, so you put the name, this is keywords. So this is what I was saying earlier, you can add keywords to say what your channel is going to be about, such as vlogs, vlogmas, for example, because people like to vlog during Christmas, traveling, travel vlogs, etc, etc. Okay, but the important thing here is that you kind of add all the keywords of the type of content you're going to be posting on your channel, just so that it can rank higher when people are looking for certain things, and your channel would hopefully come up on the top of that list. For example, if someone wanted to watch vlogs or travel vlogs and they typed travel vlogs into YouTube, if I had the correct keywords and the correct titles and tags in my videos, hopefully my vlogs will come up at least on the first page of YouTube, which would mean more views, which would mean more subscribers. So this is something you do want to pay attention to. And now for this next part, where you want to see what your channel is eligible for, well, I think you're gonna have to do the phone verification process. So once you do that, you will have more features, such as you'll be able to see whether your channel was able to be monetized and things like that. So this is where you'd be able to see that, but first you need to verify your phone number. In fact, I'll do that now just so you can see what I'm talking about. So send the number. Okay, congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. Continue. So now that you've verified your channel, as you can see, tick verified, you can now upload is enabled, but you can't monetize. We'll go into that later. Most things are enabled, but certain things, you're gonna have to meet the guidelines for. But you can click here to learn more and see what exactly it is you need to be able to fulfill those requirements. In the settings menu, you can also do defaults such as the title. I'd like to think the title will change every video, but things like your description. So if you wanted to have your social media in all your descriptions, or certain messages in all your descriptions every single time, you do that here, so that it will automatically be in your description when you upload new videos, kind of like a template. And you can always add to it, edit, take away things, but at least it's there in the first place. But also something like your tag, so I'd always put the channel name in the tag, Astar Vlogs, right? And that will be in every single video tag. You can tag more stuff based on the video and what exactly is that video showing, but this will be in every single video by default as a tag. Okay, and then you've got advanced settings. So you can look here and you can say what type of video you're doing. So for this particular one, I'm doing vlogs. So maybe I might put something like, let's see, people and blogs, travel and events maybe. The language of the video, again, it's in English because I'm speaking English, I hope. And yeah, that's pretty much it really. You don't have to do too much there. Then you've got permissions. If you've got a brand account, then maybe you might want to have other people who can control what they do on your channel, but I don't, so I ignore that. So if there's any words that you want to be like, let me tell you the truth. When you're on YouTube, yeah, you get a lot of comments that are a bit wayward sometimes, You get a lot of love, but you can get hate, especially as your channel grows. So if there's certain things you don't want to hear, or there's certain things you don't want to be in your comments for other people to read, you might want to censor some words, this is where you put it. You put the words in here, blocked words, so every time, like for example swear words, and every time those words are mentioned in your comments, the comment, it doesn't actually appear on the video. Okay, just things like that. But yeah, once you've changed, you've done all your settings to how you like them, you can press save and it's done. So now all that's left to do is upload videos, right? And you're good to go. So that is how you create your YouTube channel. I hope that wasn't too complicated. If you do have any questions, then please let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, that'll be it for the video. Thanks for watching. Until next time.